Everyone, I'm Rashmi Mangla. I'm back again with my e-commerce lecture series. This is our 15th lecture of e-commerce. The topics that we'll be covering today are, we'll be starting with unit 3 today, wherein we'll be dealing with application of e-commerce, and we'll be covering today e-commerce in manufacturing industry, benefits of e-commerce for manufacturers, e-commerce in retail, and benefits of e-commerce to retailers and benefits of retailing to the customers. So let's get started for today's concept. Now first we'll be studying e-commerce in manufacturing industry. When we talk about manufacturing, it can be defined as a process of collecting and then converting raw materials into finished qualitative goods or products of the consumers. And e-commerce covers many operations within production processes. Let's see. The internet-based e-commerce provides, manufacturers a fast and efficient way of obtaining comprehensive information from the market. They can quickly, in a fast way, they can obtain information of the market and feedback from the industry and performance of suppliers. The reduction in time and cost in the whole manufacturing chain make it possible to gain competitive advantages in price, product, innovation and services. So whatever reduction is made in time or in cost in the entire manufacturing chain, it makes it possible to gain competitive advantage in price, product, innovation and services. And e-commerce is also used in the supply chain operations of a company. When e-commerce is applied to supply chain management process, it helps in reducing the overall cost, that is drastic overall cost, and improves quality and efficiency by automating most of the supply chain. So basically it is a significant way to shorter opportunity to deliver, and it lowers the cost. So that's how we can apply e-commerce in manufacturing industry. In various operations it can be applied. Now it has various benefits for the manufacturers. Let's see them. E-commerce is a way for manufacturers to experiment with new products. They can experiment with new products without risking a significant investment. And instead of setting up brick and mortar stores or keeping inventory on hand, you are setting up a new business. If you are, physically, brick and mortar stores mean the stores which are physically available. So if you have, in order to have physical existence, you have to have a place, you have to have a rented, store, wherein you will have to make a lot of investments. So with the help of e-commerce, those investments can be saved. Inventory can be kept and they can offer this product online. So the benefits of e-commerce is provide a personalized catalog. Now, when we talk about a manufacturing industry, each of them have a catalog, to showcase their products to the clients. Now, through e-commerce, they can keep personalized catalogs. That is, they can have their catalogs tailor-made according to the client's requirement, because every client would not be requiring same kind of products. Everybody has their own set of preferences. So according to the choices and preferences they can have tailor-made catalogs, and such a catalog would only feature the products, they will feature the products which are relevant to the customer. And how is this possible? This is possible with a B2B web store, business to business, by connecting your assortment to a personalized account. So your customers will see only the products that fit their needs and requirements. Secondly, it ensures visibility for spare parts. Many manufacturing industries, they have a high traffic for spare parts. So when we apply e-commerce, in making the spare parts visible, customers, they don't have to spend any effort on searching for connecting parts. They can just, quick cross-selling and upselling can be made easy and efficient by the use of e-commerce. And then all in all, there is a quick win for both the service also and both for efficiency also. Then configure products online. The ability to match products. It also grants the opportunity to configure products in e-commerce platform. Like products, that are different in shape or size or color. You can just check them. This means your customers are able to customize products to their own requirements. For example, when we see, if you're seeing clothes on a online shopping site, for example, you're seeing the clothes on Flipkart or Myntra. So what you can do is, according to your size, according to your preference, you can choose the color and size and design. So customization is possible. Like for one single product, there are 10 colors available. So you will choose the color which you prefer. So that is available in online shopping, or we can say in e-commerce, be it for any of the processes. Then promote your private label. Manufacturing companies, if all of them have a private label, benefit and even more from e-commerce. A web store allows you to highlight these products. They can highlight the product by providing suggestions for additional sales or offer them spare parts. What kind of spare parts? High quality spare parts, which will not only increase the sales of the private label but also improve cross-sell and upsell results also. Then the last thing is, sell your complete assortment online. See, as a manufacturer, your assortment, it can contain thousands of products. So out of these products, only a small percentage is known and purchased by the average client. However, whatever you have or how much you offer, then the products, your customers know about it. See, whatever products you're offering, your customers, they know all about it. Then let's see the next topic, that is e-commerce and retailer. We'll study e-retailing. Now, who are retailers? See, retailers are those persons who ultimately provide the product to the ultimate consumers. For example, like the shops which are nearby our house, we can directly go to them and we can purchase items in small quantity or small numbers. So who are they? They all are retailers. Now, retailing is expected to change with the rapid development of new online sales. As in, when new online sales and distribution channels have been set up, there is a rapid development in retailing that literally can be used from anywhere, anytime, from work, school, hotel, car or airplane. Like from anywhere you can use it. So e-retailing or online retailing is the selling of goods from business to consumer through electronic stores that are designed using the electronic catalog and shopping cart model. Then, Cyber Mall, it is a single website that offers different products and services at one internet location, and it attracts the customers also and the seller into one virtual space through a web browser. And we can sell physical goods also, like assets like book, television, video recorders. We can sell digital goods also, and we can even sell services online. Now this e-commerce, it's giving a lot of benefit to the retailers. Let's see those benefits that the retailers get. Now e-commerce, it gives a lot of benefits like convenience and easiness. Yes, buying options are quick, convenient and user friendly with the availability of transferring funds online. So it becomes very convenient also for the retailers to accept the money and as well as provide the products. Then offer product data sheets. Customers can also get description and detail from an online product catalog, and all the information is provided online only. They can get to know everything about the product. And there is no time boundation also. At any point of the day, even at night, the customers can have a look at the product details. Then it attracts new customers with search engine visibility. See, as we all know, the physical retail is run by branding and relationships, but online retail is also driving by traffic. We need to drive the traffic towards our websites. That comes from search engines. For customers, it is not very so common to follow a link in the search engine results and land upon an e-commerce website which they haven't even heard of. So that's difficult. You'll only go to that website which you know, which you are aware about. So they have to attract new customers with search engine visibility. Then comprise warranty information. No matter whether you are looking to choose including warranty information with product description and data sheets, or you're providing it with an e-commerce shopping cart, you have to make sure that customers must be aware of all the terms and conditions that are associated with the products. Then decreasing cost of inventory management. With e-commerce business, the suppliers can decrease the cost of managing their inventory of goods. That they can automate the inventory management using web-based management system. Then keep eye on consumers' buying habit. See, the best thing in e-commerce retailer is that you can keep an eye, or you can keep a constant eye on consumers' buying habits and their interests. Why? So that you can tailor your products to suit the customer's requirements, and by satisfying their needs constantly, you can improve your ongoing relationship with the customers. Then competence. See, for effective business transaction, e-commerce is an efficient and competence method, because setting up cost is, it's extremely low as compared to expanding your business with brick and mortar locations. If you are expanding your business physically, that will involve more cost as compared to expanding it online. Then selling products across the world and open 24/7. See, if you are running a physical store, so you have a limited geographical area wherein you can provide your service, or wherein you can sell. But with e-commerce website, you can sell your products across the world. And not only that, for physical stores, there are specific timings. But for an e-commerce store, there are no specific timings. It can stay open 24/7 or 365 days in a year. So anytime the customer wants to look for the products, they can just visit your website and have a look at it. And that will not only it will boost the number of orders also. Why? Because at times what happens is, maybe when we have physical stores, people are not free enough to visit the markets every day. But yes, by sitting at their workplace, by sitting at their at homes and night also, in online stores they can do shopping, or they can purchase the products any time of the day. So obviously the number of products can increase. So these are the benefits of e-commerce that are available to the retailers. Now we'll study the benefits of e-retailing to the customer. See, customer also have a lot of benefits of e-retailing. The first of these is convenience. See, it is convenient for the customers as he does not have to move from shop to shop. Obviously, see, customers, they don't have to go from shop to shop physically. They, by sitting at their home, by sitting in their comfort zone only, they can examine goods and they can purchase them online. Second type of benefit to customer is better information. They can have a better information via the use of internet. All the information related to the product is there on the website, and they can clearly read it from there. Then the third type of benefit is competitive pricing. See, this competitive pricing, it can be due to two factors. First is lowered cost to the retailer. Maybe the cost to the retailer is less. Secondly, competitive pricing pressure that arises from the fact that customer is now able to look prices at several sites. When customer looks prices at several sites, there are competitive pricing pressure. That, like, for example, you have Myntra also as a shopping site, Flipkart also as a shopping site. There might be some products which are there on both the sites. So we compare the prices, and that comparison brings in competitive pricing pressure for the sellers. So these are the benefits that we have for the customers, benefits of e-retailing for the customers. That's all for today, children. Let's see the questions based on today's concept. What is e-retailing? What are the benefits of e-commerce for manufacturers? What are the benefits of e-commerce to retailers? And explain the benefits of e-retailing to the customers. Stay tuned for more upcoming lectures. Thank you.